This is a tank for a Honda generator. One of those generator inverters. Anyway, the inside of the tank's been abused, but the outside doesn't look too bad. There is a pinhole somewhere. I forget where it's at. I'll find it. But that tank sealer should fix it up, especially if I solder it first. So I'll clean it up from the outside, solder it, and then clean the inside, put tank sealer on it, and see how that goes. Okay, here's the inside of a tank. I'm going to clean it up and put some tank sealer in it. That should give you a pretty good look at before, and then we'll clean it up. That's my plan. This is what I'm using. Fill it up. I'll put a whole bunch in anyway. That's what I'm going to use to swish around and clean that rust off. Okay, loud noise time. You get the idea. There we go. Doesn't look too bad, huh? I'm going to call that good. I shook those nuts around for about 15-20 minutes. And probably had about 200 in there total. 3/8, 16 nuts. There were little tiny pinholes there. I used my soldering gun and soldered them shut. That should take care of this tank. There was a couple on there. I think they turned out really well. I'll clean that flux off before I paint it on the outside. Okay, I got this all cleaned out and primered. And I cleaned up. You can see there's still some bumps and lumps, but it's clean and rust free and primered with regular automotive primer, not etching primer or anything like that. And then we're ready to go ahead and put on the sealer. This is the bottom of that gas tank for the generator. There you go. That's the old one. There's way too many holes in it for me to do a repair job on it. So I bought one off the internet and didn't pay $200, which a new one costs. So I got it pretty cheap actually. So that's why I used the gas tank repair paint inside that other tank. Here's the bottom of the repaired tank. You can see there was a few holes in it, but nothing like that other one. That was bad. Okay, there's the inside of that tank that I repaired. You can see that silver coating in there. It looks lumpy and bumpy, but it was heavily rusted. Okay, but it's sealed now. It is really sealed. So that stuff is like ceramic almost. Okay. Let's see how it is there. And it's smooth as glass. So, yeah, I got rid of all the holes and sealed it up 100%. Should do a good job. I love that stuff. First time I used it. It's really cool.